Welcome on board our 350-1000 series. Welcome on board our first A350-1000 series.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Welcome aboard.
Wow, what a treat. Thank you very much. Guys, super excited. Just got on board the Qatar Airways A350-1000 series, the very first one in the world. So today we are going places together.
Sam, allow me to show you to your seats.
Okay.
This is your personal seat.
Ah, have a personal suite. Seat number 9K. I'm inside the Q suite and I have a beautiful window view. My seat 9K is a rear facing, so I'm facing the rearway, and but it is very, very nice, very impressive, and very wide inside.
So good morning and welcome aboard on our flight Qatar Airways 350-1000 on our inaugural flight A350-1000.
Good morning, Captain. Good to see you again, Captain. It's a pleasure to fly with you on another inaugural flight. What a fantastic
Great
opportunity.
pleasure having you aboard.
Yeah.
So it will take us 6 hours and 8 minutes, and we'll be cruising at the final altitude of 41,000
How
feet.
much takeoff weight on this plane we have today on our flight?
Today it will be around 221 tons.
Oh, very light.
311, which is the maximum takeoff weight of the center.
Very, very
It will
light.
be like
Yeah.
this.
Okay, thank you, Captain. Congratulations again.
Thank you.
This is your mimosa.
Thank you very much.
Towels. For your well-being and comforts, this is your amenity case.
This is amenity kit. It's really cute. 350-1000. So let's have a tour of this beautiful airplane. In business class on the A350-1000 series, Qatar Airways fitted 46 private queue suites. As you can see, it is very wide with 1-2-1 configuration. Let me give you a hint. All the suites on both sides of the aisle have both window and aisle access. These are A, B, J, and K suites. What I like about the Q suite is the flexibility. You can have a single suite on the window side, you can form a double suite in the middle, and a quad suite if you're traveling together. The suites are so wide, there's an ottoman next to your seats that can serve either as an armrest, storage, special gift for His Excellency Mr. Ahmad Baker, the CEO of Qatar Airways. Congratulations, sir, today.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. What would you say about the Q Suite? What would you say about Qatar Airways business class? What Qatar Airways has to offer that is different to other airlines?
First and foremost, there is no airline in the world that gives you a private cabin in a business class. I don't think there is any airline that gives you this amenities and comforts that is surrounding this cabin. I don't think there is any airline in the world that gets into such detail that it provides for every single need a passenger wants in its surrounding. And this is why we are with confidence claiming that we are providing a first-class experience in a business class fare.
Yeah.
This is why the tagline is first in business.
Now, just between you and me, because I know you're into aviation, I'm into aviation. Out of all the fleets Qatar Airways has, from A319, A320, A321, 330, 340, 600, 350, 900, and now Dash 1000 and the 380, and Boeing 777, what is your favorite type of airplane in Qatar Airways fleet? If you only can name one.
I can't name one because for me, every single aeroplane of Qatar Airways is the best aeroplane in my vocabulary.
I want to show you this because I'm a content creator. Yesterday, I've created a beautiful content because your crew are very, very helpful. Hopefully they don't say, because I'm not sponsored by Qatar Airways, hopefully they don't come and tell you something.
Well, don't care. As long as you know what you're doing, you should.
Oh, I'm enjoying. I'm telling you, like sitting here is just a huge honor. I don't need an introduction. This is the pond guy. This is Brian. So as you all know, Brian is very, very, very tall. And he has failed many of those shower tests across the world. What we're going to do is we're going to go to test the Qatar Airways economy class.
Economy?
Economy.
No.
Yes. This is Fabio. Fabio
Fabio's time, sorry.
Fabio is a Brazilian frequent flyer and blogger. Okay, let's see. You guys pick a seat, and you're not allowed to pick the first row. You're not allowed to pick the bulkhead here.
Can I get my own row?
All right.
I know my credibility.
Yeah, exactly.
Economy's not so bad. What have I've been missing out on this the whole time?
We're celebrating the new economy class during the flight you like. What's unique to the Q Suite is this special plater. You can choose from the snack menu to create your own plater to nibble on. This is unique and specially only on the Q Suite flight.
Arabic breakfast.
In the Q Suite, it's not only one seat. You can invite a buddy to sit together. Like, I'm very grateful. Now, next to me is Mr. Ali Al-Shadi, and he's from Qatar, and he's actually the hero behind the Qatar Airways successful A350 program. How many years it took you guys to develop the A350-900 and 1000? Because you are the inaugural customer, so you are evolving in every aspect of the planning.
Actually, take initially around 5 years from start to delivery.
5 years of work,
yes,
just to get this delivered.
Yeah, 3 to 5 years work.
Well, thank you so much. Congratulations, sir.
Thank you.
And can you say now, tonight you can go home and sleep well tonight?
Yeah, actually, I hope that you enjoyed the flight. I think it's successful delivery and its achievement. It's a historical moment for Airbus and Qatar Airways as launch customer, and actually it's a historical moment for aviation industry.
Absolutely. So once again, we're making history here. Congratulations to Mr. Ali and Qatar Airways. The lady here is Miss Salam Al-Shawa. Today she's going to demonstrating us the ORX-1.
The easiest in-flight entertainment system in the sky. It is meant to be very modern, very simple, and we call it ORX-1. The inspiration of ORX-1, we wanted it to be #1 in the world. It has never been easier before. You have 4,000 choices, and if you click entertainment, very simple: movies, TV, audio, and of course there is a special section to kids. When you go to movies, you have Hollywood, Arabic, Bollywood, and you know we put advertisements for the movies coming soon. For Hollywood, it's very easy. It's like you know the inspiration was like from the iPhone.
God, let me play with this.
Yes.
Because I'm an aviation geek, Salam, as you know. So all the AV geek will be into this one here, the A350 camera views.
Yes.
Let's go. Guys, I just finished my meal, and as you can see, I ate everything except vegetables. But this time was better than last time. Last time I didn't eat any vegetables. This time I made a modest effort. I ate 2 pieces of asparagus, and I still ate a carrot stick here. What I think beautiful thing about this meal, about Qatar, the snack platter, is it really gives you a good flavor about, you know, we can have a bit of everything. I've got a chicken satay, I've got a shrimp, I've got a salmon. I mean, it's a variety of things. It's not just one main course you can have. It's about, you know, 6 little items that fill you up, that you can have a bit of everything, variety.
Hi, Mr. Choi. Would you like to try our afternoon tea set?
Wow, afternoon tea set. Oh, look at that, beautifully present. I just ate my meal. I'm pretty full. Look at my belly here. So I'll take your offer later. I'm in the bathroom of the A350-1000 series. I'm actually very privileged. I must think I'm one of the first, if not I'm the first, I'm one of the first people to use the brand new A350-1000's bathroom. So I'm going to just show you the toilet here. If I press this, look, it's going down, flushing by itself. Just finished my meal. So I'm on a tour of the A350-1000 series. So right now I'm in the rear galley, which is the biggest galley I've seen.
Sam, let me show you a crew bunk in our A350-1000.
Sure, love to see it.
Please.
Oh, this is a secret passage. Let me go up.
We have 8 crew bunks.
So there's 8 crew bunks in here. That's big, that's huge. So guys, beside the business class comfort, this is a secret. The crew also have a flat bed for them to rest. Of course, they work very hard in different clock hours, different time zone for the body clock. So now let me show you, I'm gonna have a rest. Okay, see you. Here's my friend Alina.
Hello.
I met her on board. She says she's a follower. I don't believe her. Okay.
I'm actually following you.
Scary.
So my phone?
Oh, you lost your phone. Your phone went in.
Yeah. What?
Where's your phone? Can you open it?
Yeah. Oh, it's here.
Oh, there's a strap. There's a cover to save the phone.
Oh, it's amazing.
Good, good.
Yeah.
Very good.
Delicious.
Not very often you have a beautiful economy class like this, and it's all empty, no passenger whatsoever. I love this pillow. The sky is a wonderful place to be. Good night. Because my door here is locked, it doesn't move, it doesn't give me the privacy again. What happened? Did I break the door?
Mr. Sam, because we have a special way or special trick to open this door. We have to unlock it first using this key.
Oh, you have a key
by
here.
pressing, yes, and sliding this one.
And then there's a lock button to press.
Yes.
Oh. lobster mac and cheese was unbelievable. It didn't feel like airplane food. That was French gourmet restaurant cuisine. Each airline has their own identity. To me, Qatar Airways provided me a superior level of customer service that is focused on the passenger. There's only one inaugural flight on each type, and this one is truly amazing in every way. During the spectacular low-fly pass and go-around, it reminded me why I love aviation so much. I have totally immersed myself into it. Congratulations to Airbus and Qatar Airways, and thank you again for watching.